Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Square for 1099 tracking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in squareup.com and press enter. Once the Square homepage loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Square account in the first field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, navigate to the Dashboard section. On the left-hand menu, find and select Transactions. Within the Transactions menu, look for the option labeled 1099. Here, you will find a summary of your earnings that are reported for 1099 forms. Review the information to ensure everything is accurate. If needed, you can download your 1099 forms directly from this section. To log out, click on your account name at the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu to secure your account. You have successfully logged into Square and accessed your 1099 tracking information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.